And here we are back at the Leadership Help Desk, where we study most everything business, and we're striving for purity in leadership so we don't screw things up. We try to get things right to begin with. Now, we are in the middle of a series for small business and talking about marketing concepts. Our concept for today is target costing. Now, that's a confusing term, target costing. You might think of it another way as price comes first. What we're trying to do is come up with a product that hits a price target. And the way we do that is we start out with the price. Now, in this case, we're going to say that it's a restaurant and there's a spaghetti plate. And research shows, we did our market research, we found out that people might like to have cheesy spaghetti to go, not just burgers and fried chicken, but maybe spaghetti. So our research shows that people would be interested in spaghetti, and their price that they're willing to pay is $4, and in this vision it's to go. So we gotta hit the $4 price mark for our target market, whoever that is in this case. So our target price is $4. Now we have to subtract our cost, and to begin with we'll try to subtract our profit margin, so to speak, of $2. And that $2 we hope will go 50 cents to labor for our budgeting, 50 cents to take care of the building and the AC and whatnot, and that leaves us with an actual profit of $1. So let's go over this again. Target price for the spaghetti plate is $4. Our profit is $2, and here's how it's divided up. We actually make $1 off of each plate that we serve, and that leaves us with $2 for the actual product. And the first thing that comes to mind for a takeout is packaging. So we could have a bag that we put the spaghetti plate into, and that bag would cost 5 cents. I'm just making this up, right? Napkins, 2 napkins, maybe 2 cents. A spork, which is what you get with your $4 spaghetti plate, 3 cents, and an actual container that would be 20 cents. I have no idea how much a container costs. But when we add up the packaging cost for this spaghetti plate, we get 30 cents. 5 cents, 2 cents, 3 cents, that's 10 cents, plus 20 cents equals a packaging cost of 30 cents. Now, we only had $2 in our budget for this spaghetti plate. And now 30 cents has gone towards packaging, which leaves us with a budget of $1.70 for the actual spaghetti. Now you see, we're trying to meet our cost so we can hit this price of $4. So now we have a budget of $1.70 for our actual spaghetti. Now, it's very important starting a small business to look at all of your costs in details. In this case, we're gonna try this. We're gonna put 50 cents worth of cheese, 50 cents worth of meat, 30 cents worth of sauce, pasta, 30 cents. That should be a lot of pasta, I think. And maybe some gourmet spices and herbs, garlic, whatnot, for 10 cents, which gives us a total of $1.70. So, if we work in reverse, we have $1.70 worth of food, 30 cents worth of packaging, that equals $2, and then we get $2 to spend on labor, overhead, and profit, which gives us a total price of $4. Now, did you get that? We could have said 40 cents worth of cheese and 60 cents worth of meat, and that goes into value analysis, which I have another video on that, because that's the topic is more complicated than this. So we can manipulate all of these things as long as it hits $1.70. Now, what if we decided that our market research showed that the spaghetti plate should be $4. That's what people are willing to pay. But what if we said, hey, maybe we'll get more business if we drop it down to $3.75? And if we do, we have to take money out of somewhere. And we might have to go skimpy on the cheese, skimpy on the meat. We don't really want to do that. We might only make 75 cents on profit and whatnot. So maybe we said that, okay, research showed $4 for the plate, but maybe we'll try to go $4.25. That means we could spend 75 cents on labor, 75 cents on overhead, maybe. Maybe we want to boost our profit up to $1.25, or maybe we'll use that 25 cents to add maybe some more pasta, a little bit more pasta, a little bit more meat, a little bit more cheese. Now this also leads to different sizes, right? Maybe our $4.50, we could add 50 cents in total more of that. So that is target costing. When we looked at the 4 P's, the product, the price, the place, and the promotion, we are looking at the product and the price. And we are also including the 4 C's, which is the customer solution. Is this what they want? And is this the price they're willing to pay? So our research said that this is a good 4C price, the cost to the consumer. So I hope that makes sense. That's a spaghetti example. What if it was our cookies? You know, we want to make 10 cents off the cookie. The people said they're willing to pay 50 cents for the cookie, and that leaves us with 40 cents for ingredients that go into the cookie. If it was a broom, it would be the same thing. People are willing to pay $4 for a broom. We want to make $1 off the broom. So in a simplified fashion, we're not including markups, retail and wholesale. So that gives us $4 price target minus our $1 profit margin, which leaves us with $3 to use making a broom. So I hope that makes sense. It's really important. We've taken we've gotten the consumer's opinion. We could have asked them what they wanted in the spaghetti, and we should have, but we're dealing mainly with price here. So I hope that helps. It's a good way of looking at most any business. You look at your target market. What are they willing to pay for this product of this definition, and then we work backwards to see how much money we have to spend on the actual product. That will take you months, because I could sit here for months and tweak all of this around. Maybe the bag's only 4 cents, which makes we could use 31 cents of pasta. You know, what if we did? I'd have this on an Excel sheet, right? I'd mock up $4. I'd mark up $4.25, $4.50, $3.75, and have a map for each one. This is not going to change much, but this would change. Or maybe the $4.50 would be one of those deals at a restaurant where for an extra 50 cents you get a topping, right? Like mushrooms or black olives, whatnot. Or garlic bread, right? So, wow, if we had to include a stick of garlic bread in here, we'd probably have to knock the cheese down to 45 cents, meat down to 45 cents to get that 10-cent garlic stick or bread. So I hope that makes sense, and we'll move on to value analysis, where we see if all of this is worth it. And I hope you enjoyed this. If you did and you're into marketing, into small business, subscribe and come see the rest of the videos. Enjoy your day.